If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. Building a bomb explosion countdown timer to the Counter-Strike is actually very simple. I created a Python script that checks the area above the scoreboard to see whether a red, blinking bomb is visible. The detected information is then sent to the XIAO. All you need to do is run the script after uploading the code to the XIAO. The XIAO, in turn, controls the e-paper display and a buzzer, adjusting the messages and sounds based on the data received from the script.